Have you ever wondered why your skin isn't giving glowy? Why your skin isn't giving supple? Why your skin is just looking dull? It's not glowy, it's not shiny, it's just there. Well, this might be the reason why. Today's video, we're talking about dermaplaning. All you need to know about dermaplaning, the benefit, how to dermaplan. I also be sharing the side effects of these things. So ensure to stick to the end for you to understand exactly what it means to dermaplan. Hi besties, welcome here, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mona. On my channel, I discuss skincare, I share a bit about my lifestyle, and have fun. I'm here to hold your hands and guide you through your skincare journey. Ensure to hit the subscribe button while I explain to you all you need to know about dermaplaning. I'm not a professional, I'm not an esthetician. Everything I'm saying here is just based on research and personal knowledge that is also tied down to research. Okay, so yeah, I've tried this out and these are the results I've gotten from it. Hence why I'm making this video. A simple way to explain what dermaplaning means. It's a skincare technique that removes dead skin cells and first patch off the surface of the skin using razor, using blades. This is the one I used. Like I said, I just finished dermaplaning. I just finished shaving my face. Can we use the word shaving my face? Okay, let's use layman words because I don't even know if I'm pronouncing the word dermaplaning well. I mean, am I? I think it's called or pronounced as dermaplaning or dermaplaning or dermaplan. Guys, just forgive me, okay? So another thing you need to know about shaving your face is it's a method of exfoliation. So doing this would exfoliate your skin. I'm going to answer few frequently asked questions around dermaplaning. And in fact, there's only one I'm going to address in this video, and that is if you shave off your face, is it going to grow back? The answer is no. If you keep shaving off the hair on your face, it's not going to grow back. So don't be scared that when you shave your face, the hair will come back fuller and thicker. It doesn't apply to the face. That idea, that science does not apply to the face. So feel free to dermaplan your face. Feel free to shave the hair off your face. You're doing yourself a favor. Number one, you're exfoliating your skin. Number two, you are taking off dead skin cells and pitch pores off your skin. You need a blade like this. This is one I'm currently using. I just recently got this blade and look at how the tip is. See, so you need a surgical or special blade like this for you to carry out a dermaplaning process, right? If you know you're not careful, please go to a professional to help you do it. The process I used today to dermaplan, because I actually did dermaplan, I'm going to start my video here. I started off with using an aloe vera gel. You can either use an aloe vera gel or use like a oil, any kind of oil, right? You can use that on your face and then shave off, right? So these are the two things you literally need. Afterwards, you can go in with your face cleanser, wash your face, and you're good to go. So the process is very easy. It just takes 4 major steps and you're done. Just look at me. You can see that instant glow. It is there. Okay, so the benefit of dermaplaning, and this is from personal experience, okay, is number one, you have an instant glow. There's this glow that just comes when I just, finish off with the process. I get this instant glow. Not just that, my makeup goes in smoother. Like if you apply a serum or a foundation on my face, it will just give skin, right? So this is research based, by the way. Number one, you get instant glow and a brighter skin. Number two, you get to have your makeup slide down your skin perfectly. Your makeup blends better, your skin looks better. And lastly, it boosts skincare absorption. And that is what I said. Like, I like how when I have my skin dermaplant like this, anything I apply just glows up. Like, it might not glow up when I don't shave, but immediately I shave, if I apply as little as serum, like it just gives this plumpy feel. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, it might not do so much, but it does so much when it comes to having a glowy skin, having a plumpy skin. This before you pick up your razor blade, before you rush and buy a razor blade or buy a blade or buy whatever, let's talk about the risks. We just have to discuss the risks. What are the risks of dermaplaning? Now, two people who can do this is number one, people who want a smoother skin. If you know you want a smoother skin, go through this process. Dermaplan, shave your face. Okay. And people who don't have inflamed or active acne. If you know you currently don't have any inflamed or active acne, right, then you can run it, you can do it. But the category of people who cannot do this are people number one who have inflamed and active acne, which is pimples. If you have pimples on your face that is still active, still fresh, don't try this. If you have a skin that is prone to irritation, if you have a sensitive skin that is prone to irritation, prone to breakout, don't do this. It is not for you. Okay. I thought to share with you guys everything, what I feel right now, like the instant glow I'm seeing. Like, I'm really surprised. I can see the glow. You don't have to do this every day. The usage period should be around, or when you need to do this should be around like once in 6 months, once in 3 months. It's not a continuous thing, or sorry, it's a continuous process, but it's not something you have to do every day, every week. Some people do it every month, but I currently do like once in 2 months, once in 3 months, and sometimes once a month, right? I know when I need it. Like the skin tells me when I need to Dermaplan, right? Like it did this morning, and I've done that. And yeah, if you're not following me on Instagram, I'm going to drop my handle up here. Hit that follow button. I drop daily skincare tips every day. I drop tips on skincare and beauty and lifestyle, and that is exactly what I do here on my channel here. From a girly to girly, hit the subscribe button, share this video to your loved one, share this video on your girlies group chat because it definitely needs to see this. Okay, see you guys in the next one. If you know you don't know your skin type, hit the button here. It is going to teach you how to check for your skin type. I'll catch you guys in that video. Bye.